Receiving money through Citibank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can easily access funds sent to you. Step 1. Set up your Citibank account. Ensure you have an active Citibank account. If you don't have one, visit a local branch or the Citibank website to open an account. Step 2. Provide your account details. Share your Citibank account number and any necessary routing information with the person sending you money. This information is essential for the transfer. Step 3. Choose a transfer method. Decide how you want to receive the money. Options may include wire transfers, ACH transfers, or using services like Zelle, which is integrated with Citibank. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check your account. Monitor your Citibank account for the incoming funds. Depending on the transfer method, it may take a few minutes to several days for the money to appear. By following these steps, you can efficiently receive money through Citibank. Always ensure that you're sharing your information securely to protect your account.